Hi everyone. Okay. Good evening, fellow residents. Today marks an important chapter that we hope will go into the history books of King Edward VII Hall. On behalf of the Evergreen Society, I would like to thank everyone who made the effort to come down today, especially those in green, to support our cause. If you, however, came here hoping that we have food or freebies to offer, you might be disappointed, because that's not the purpose of our society, and that's not the message that we are trying to convey. We are not just some club. We are a community that celebrates the element of evergreenness that you may never reacquire once it's gone. So, now you may ask, what is this Evergreen Society? What are we? What is this Evergreen Society that we are trying to create? And this is what I tell you. Everyone knows and understands how it feels to be evergreen. And it is easy to feel like no one cares when you're evergreen. Like no one understands how you feel and how hard it is to get through life's obstacles alone. But that is far from the truth. That's not true to you now, because you have the Evergreen Society. So here at the Evergreen Society, we want to bring together a community of evergreen people to let them know that they are not as alone as they think they are, to offer support, encouragement, and companionship in tough times, and especially those times when couples are out and about with their public displays of affection, like during Valentine's Day and Christmas. We want to offer solace and refuge to all singletons, because we too know how it feels to be all alone on this occasion, or pretending that we are okay celebrating it with our other single friends and family. So in line with our ideology, we have already come up with several ideas for possible events and activities, and you are more than welcome to share your ideas when you come on board with us. At present, Evergreen Lunch takes place at the deck every Monday, because we believe that lunch hours should never be spent alone in some obscure corner